In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a board in Miro. This process is incredibly smooth, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can confidently save your work without any hiccups. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the board section within your Miro dashboard. So from your design team's homepage, locate and click on the Boards tab. This is your main hub for all collaborative boards where you and your team assemble ideas, plans, and projects. It's a vibrant space filled with your collective creativity and hard work. Once in the board section, pick the specific board you want to save. It's as easy as clicking on it. When you open your board, Miro allows you to dive right into editing mode. Here, you can make any changes or additions to your board. Now, a great feature of Miro is its automatic saving. While you're working, your changes are continuously being saved. But remember, if you're ending your session, simply exit the board by clicking on your browser's back button or on the Miro logo to go back to the dashboard. Rest assured, Miro is designed to save every adjustment you make, so you won't lose any progress. You can always verify this by reopening your board. Go back to the board section and click on your board again. You'll see that all your edits are precisely as you left them. This reassurance is one of the many reasons why Miro is favored for collaborative work. The ease and reliability of the automatic saving function can really free you up to focus on the creative process without the nagging worry of data loss. But what if you want to ensure an extra layer of protection? Perhaps as a precaution or for record-keeping purposes, Miro offers the perfect feature for this: a board backup. On your board's page, look for the option to download a board backup. By selecting this, a download of your current board is created, which you can store locally on your device. This backup serves as your insurance policy against any unforeseen mishaps, ensuring you have your work in a secure and portable format. This method of saving and backing up on Miro not only enhances your peace of mind as you work, but also streamlines the creative workflow. So, there you have it. With these simple steps, you're all set to save your boards confidently in Miro, knowing your creative efforts are preserved both online and offline.